Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your settings. Export the BIOS profile or write down multipliers and voltages so you can restore them. Once in BIOS, disable fast boot to ensure full hardware detection. That helps you change values safely. Now, locate CPU frequency, multiplier, and core voltage. These control overclocking. Make the first change. Switch CPU frequency control from manual/override to auto or default, and set voltage mode to auto. Once done, save and reboot to verify the system posts cleanly. You now continue by restoring the CPU to stock. Find the CPU multiplier and change it to the documented default, because that directly stops frequency boosts. Next, put core voltage back to auto or enter the stock millivolt value. Do not use offsets, which can still raise voltage. Make sure XMP or dock profiles are disabled so RAM isn't forcing higher CPU ratios indirectly. Once these values are set, save and reboot, and load into the OS to run quick monitoring before stress testing. You finish by verifying stability and temperature behavior. Run a 15 to 30-minute stress test while watching CPU temps and voltages in HW info or similar. This confirms you truly removed the overclock. If the system is stable and temps remain safe, keep the BIOS default saved as the new profile. If you encounter crashes or post failures, clear CMOS to force factory defaults and retry. That one troubleshooting step often recovers systems where BIOS changes prevented booting, so use it promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.